Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust brakes on an EZGO golf cart. Before starting any work, always prioritize safety. Park your cart on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and remove the key. Use wheel chocks on the front wheels to prevent any movement. Then, carefully lift the rear of the cart with a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Having your tools ready, such as a lug wrench and a flathead screwdriver, will make the process much smoother. Now let's get to the brake shoes. First, remove the rear wheels to expose the brake drums. You'll find a small slot in the backing plate. This is where you'll access the star wheel adjuster. Using a brake spoon or a flathead screwdriver, turn the star wheel upwards to expand the brake shoes. Continue turning until you feel a slight drag when rotating the hub by hand. It's important to have just a little resistance, not a fully locked wheel. Next, we'll fine-tune the brake cables. Look underneath your golf cart for the brake compensator assembly, usually where the cables meet. You'll see a threaded rod with an adjustment nut. Slowly tighten this nut to take up any slack in the brake cables, which will reduce the free play in your brake pedal. The ideal pedal travel should be approximately 7/8 to 1 1/8 inches before the brakes fully engage. This ensures a responsive and firm pedal feel. With the adjustments complete, it's time for testing. Reattach the wheels and carefully lower your golf cart. Before driving, pump the brake pedal 4 to 6 times to properly seat the brake shoes. Then, take your cart for a slow test drive in a safe, open space. Pay close attention to how the brakes feel. The cart should stop smoothly and evenly without pulling to either side. If anything feels off, recheck your adjustments for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.